So my role is the design engineer and the graphic designer. So I design the car, I do a lot of research behind the car, all the materials, basically every step that needs to be done before the manufacturing stage.
My role in the team is the manufacturing engineer. So I take the design that design engineer gave to me and I make it a reality.
Alright, so the role I play in the team is I'm the marketing manager. So basically I control all the social media, so this includes the Instagram. I link up with a graphic designer, bring the idea to him, he makes the graphic, I get it back, I post it, bada bing, bada boom.
I think the most interesting aspect would be just the amount of stuff that I've learnt is insane. I honestly, before this, wouldn't have even dreamed of being the person to make the car. And so getting to code the machine and getting to spend all this time making the car is it's honestly epic. It's great.
So I think the most interesting thing about being involved in F1 in schools is getting to collaborate with industry, people who are professionals, who know what they've been doing for years, and being able to get information from them and take the aspects that they've researched for years and they've been in the industry with for years, and being able to implement that into our own car and our own design and our own team and our own business.
The most interesting aspect of the competition would probably have to be stuff like the racing. I find the racing really entertaining, especially reaction time. I got the role of being the reaction racer for our team, so yeah, I was so excited to, getting out there and getting to have another crack this year, but unfortunately that couldn't happen because of COVID, so I was like, oh man. Maybe at Nationals, if we have a physical competition, we'll be able to do something like that.
When it came to the final design, there were a lot of design revisions that went into it, so it was something around 32. When it came to putting together our portfolio, yeah, look, honestly, it was great. It was good to document the beginning all the way through to the end, and it was kind of a moment of realization just to see how far we'd all come.
I think the most challenging part of designing the car was getting it by the deadlines, getting it done by the deadlines, because there's a very short time period between the regional finals and the state finals. So if you want to redesign the car, you need to make those changes quickly and then remanufacture the car quickly. And so what we want to do is we want to try to get as much testing done, just updating the portfolios and updating the tiny little pieces of the car. You can't remanufacture the whole thing within that short time period.
So our team mantra is Axion, imagine, discover, excel. So really our mantra is to uncover the mystery behind the competition, as an axion is sorry to go a bit nerdy on you here, but it's a hypothetical subatomic particle which if proven to exist, it would prove the symmetry in change parity. So so because we find that it's a hypothetical particle, we don't know if it exists, we use that as the mystery in the competition. And so us as Axion, it's also very close to another name called axiom, which ends with an M, which means truth, or the acknowledged truth of something.
There was definitely a lot of debate that went into this. So we had so many crazy names, and I think it really came down to the meaning for us, because we wanted it to be something relatable to our team and something relatable to the journey that we were on. And so I think when it came down to picking between the last few, I think that was the main criteria we had, was to make sure it meant something to us.
I honestly think that F1's been addictive. Compared to schoolwork where it's more of a chore, F1's just fun. It's addictive. You get time off school, you get time off of homework, and you get to just focus on something, and you learn all those skills to how to focus on what you need to do and to get things done before deadlines.
When it came to collaborating with the industry, obviously it's been a little bit difficult this year, but we have amazing technology and things, and so we were able to still get in contact with our sponsors and discuss ideas with them, and they were still able to provide us materials and things. And so we just had to work our way around the barriers.
So I think the most important lesson that I've learned from this competition is that I can get anything done as long as I have the mindset and the will to do it.
Would I recommend this program to other students? Yes, definitely, 100%. It teaches you so many life skills. It teaches you self-discipline, teamwork, communication. These things they're really needed in the real world, and it's important that you involve yourself in such an extracurricular program that, you know, teaches you these life skills so that when you go into the work industry, you know, you're better prepared.